Bird-Friendly Amazonian International Mission 2020-21. Today is November 9, 2020. We are broadcasting from the bird-friendly property of the Quichua Association of Guayusaruna. The birds that we see on the branches of that tree, they are speckled chachalacas. They belong to the Gallinidae family. This morning is cold, but amazing listening to so many beautiful songs made by the diversity of birds that exist in the natural surroundings that represent a unique ecological patch with surprising ornithological richness. We are in the ecological jurisdiction of Merino, Guayusaruna.